Welcome to the delightful town of Duck, North Carolina, nestled along the picturesque Outer Banks. So let's start with the most distinctive feature of Duck, the name. Legend has it that the town's name originated from the abundance of waterfowl in the area. As ducks frequently migrated through the region, locals would exclaim, "Here come the ducks!" And over time, this phrase evolved into the town's official name, Duck.
One of the most interesting aspects of Duck is its architectural style. In an effort to preserve the natural beauty of the area, the town strictly enforces regulations that prohibit high-rise buildings.
Instead, you'll find an enchanting array of beautiful beach houses, many with a charming coastal cottage vibe blending harmoniously with the surroundings. Duck is a shopper's paradise, which is not typically me, but however, if you like shopping, the town boasts a unique selection of independent boutiques and specialty stores. Stroll along the Ducktown boardwalk and explore the charming shops, art galleries, and quaint cafes. From funky beachwear to one-of-a-kind local artwork, you'll find plenty of treasures to take home as souvenirs.
Duck is home to a mesmerizing natural symphony, the sound of waves crashing, seagulls calling, and the distinctive quack of the northern pintail duck.
These ducks can often be spotted swimming in the sound-side water, showcasing their elegant and slender tails. Soothing and serene, their quacks add a touch of magic to the town's ambiance.
Duck, North Carolina, with its quacktastic name, charming architecture, and enchanting atmosphere. Whether you're strolling along the boardwalk or enjoying the sounds of nature, Duck offers a delightful escape from the ordinary. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and be free.